Guys, andito na ako sa kami po sa Mantianak Park sa Sumbungbobon guys. Ito yung donkey guys. Donkey ba to? Basta kabayo. Guys, let's move to the other animals. Okay. Dodong, what is that, Dodong? This one? Buffalo? The other one? That one? Oh, wow. No, we can go to the ostrich dong. Oh, ito yung ostrich nila.
What is the sign of the ostrich?
Hi, ostrich.
Look at the cow.
Hi, ostrich. Dudong, look at Dudong.
Oh, hey, ostrich.
Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, look at the ostrich, oh. Hala.
Let's see ostrich.
Sus, lupig pa picture, di ba? Oh.
Go, go, go. Mama,
Dudong, what is that?
Oh,
What kind of animal is that?
ostrich.
Yeah. Yay.
Look at dude. Look at the one neck.
Ah, ito po yung pangalawa, oh. Yung wild boar daw. Ano sa Tagalog wild boar, be? Baboy ramo. Yan. Laki. Tsaka doon, oh, sa may cage. Ito. Bakit may pusa sa cage? Ng Mantianak. Okay. Ay, isa. Sila magandang dilag. Okay.
Tiger.
Dito, merong natutulog na
Oh, hi, tiger.
Bengal tiger siguro to.
T is for tiger. Mama. This is for tiger.
Oh. Ah, ito. Ito.
Nanay gibilin si ano? Oh, sige na.
Crocodile.
Wala, may crocodile.
Here in
Asan crocodile?
Mantianak. Yeah.
Ano ka?
Oh.
What's down there? Natulog na, mama.
Okay, narang crocodile.
Oh.
It's right.
Crocodile. Amot mo.
Ang ganda. Pero nakakatakot. Okay. What is that dong? Gross?
No. Look at the sharp teeth.
Where? Where?
It's sharp teeth right there.
Ah, there.
Wait, a crocodile. Papa, tinood na. Alligator. Wala, lagi na siya nag-look. Dangerous
Oh, basta magkuhan sila, di na sila mag-move. Labi na kung busog.
Ano, busog mo na sila?
Gibagan mo na sila.
Crocodile.
What, Dodong?
Saltwater.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's proceed to the another adventure animals. Oh, baby. Yan oh, baby. May maraming bibi akong nakita. Mataba, mapayat, mga bibi. Yun. Oh. Yeah. Okay.